Hello students, today's video will help you in revising the topic prefixes, which is chapter number 24 in your English language book, The Maturing Seed. Okay, so let's start with the title of the chapter named as prefixes. So the question arises, what is a prefix? A prefix is a letter or a group of letters added in front of a word to make a new word with a different meaning. Listen it again. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters added in front of a word to make a new word with a different meaning. We add prefixes in the starting of any word. Some prefixes are like dis, im, inn, un, irr, ill, exx, sub, sub, mis, miss, non, non, and many more. Okay, now we will look at the exercise number 24A, which is also given in your English language book in the page number 121. Just open your book and fill the exercises. So let's start. Use the correct prefix to form antonyms. As you all know, antonyms. What are antonyms? It's not antonyms, it's antonyms. So antonyms are words having the opposite meaning or different meaning. So here we have first word formal. You have to add a prefix to form antonyms. So here we will add in, informal. Regular, ir is the prefix we will add in this. So it will become irregular. Responsible, we will add ir and it becomes irresponsible. Obey, we will add dis, so it will become disobey. Reliable, we will add ir and it becomes irreliable, a person who is not trustworthy, a thing you cannot trust. Mortal, we will add im as a prefix and it becomes immortal. Mortal is capable of causing death, like a mortal illness, capable of causing death. Mature, we will add I am as a prefix and it becomes immature, who is not mature. Polite, and here we add I am and it becomes impolite. Logical, you will add il as a prefix and it becomes illogical. And last we have unable. I have put cross over here. Why I have put cross? Because it is wrong. Unable, here already prefix is added un, so the word should be able. Then you will add prefix and it becomes unable. Okay, so here we have next exercise 24B. Use appropriate prefixes to form verbs. You have to add prefixes by which the given words on the left side it becomes verb, means doing word, action word. Okay, so here we have first word able and I have added en as a prefix and it becomes enable. Enable means able for some task or work, that is enable. Enable is a verb. Next we have install. I have added UN and it becomes uninstall. Uninstall means remove any software or any file from a computer or a phone. It is uninstall. Like I'm installing Google Classroom in my phone, and now when the school reopens, I would uninstall the app. Means you will remove that software. Next is bid, and I have added FOR and it becomes forbid. Means disallow, किसी चीज़ को मना करना, disallow. Next we have large, and I have added EN and it becomes enlarge. Means make larger or become larger or bigger. Enlarge is also a verb. And next we have act, and I have added EN and it becomes enact. What do we call? Enact. Enact means represent or perform as if in a play or in any drama. That is enact, act karna. Next, here, sunna. After adding prefix over, over, it becomes over here, over here. Raise. After adding prefix en, it becomes enrage. Means make a violently angry, violence, marpeet karna. That is enrage. Next is rich. After adding prefix en, it becomes enrich. What does it mean? Enrich means make better or improve in quality. Enrich. What do we call it? Enrich. Now we have bark. 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 Sorry, it was paused. Okay, bark. After adding prefix em, it becomes embark. Embark. R is silent in this. What we will pronounce? Embark. Its meaning is like starting of any study or any profession, that is embark. Next is do. After adding prefix un, it becomes undo. Means reverse the action. Reverse the action. Dear. After adding prefix en, it becomes endear. Listen it carefully. We will pronounce as endear, not endear. We will pronounce as endear. Means make attractive. Make attractive. Power. After adding prefix em, it becomes empower, which is a verb. Meaning is give power or abilities to anyone.